Okay, here's how I make the hot tea for Scratchy throat. Hot water and put some tea. If you don't have a tea, just hot water. Don't worry about it. Just hot water and you put some lime or we call it calamansi, a small lime here in the Philippines. And there you go. Squish it. Just one is enough. And a ginger or luya. So you slice it and put it in there in the hot water. There you go. And then stir it. You have your tea ready. A delicious tea. I hope you like this. And I hope you still watching the video. Thank you. Jaden, how is it?
Good.
Just drink straight. It will help you for your throat and coughing. Right? You remember this? Your nana gave you this one when we were in a deer house. Remember? You remember it?
Huh?
Yeah, it's a country peach passion herbal tea, caffeine free. So wala siyang caffeine. It's good.